Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to provide crucial information on how to be one of the first to buy the Hamster Kombat Coin. So please make sure you stay until the end of the video, because at the end of the video I will give you a perfect way to buy the Hamster Kombat in the pre-market. So let's dive into the video right now. While we await the official listing date, you can participate in its pre-sales on the app Qcoin, which you see I am downloading right now in the App Store. You can also download the app in the Google Play Store. You just need to make sure that you set up your account. This will take a couple of minutes and then you will be all good to go. So I would suggest you to do that. And then once you're finished setting up your account, you are able to go to the home page of Qcoin, and in the middle screen you can see actually at the middle part of the screen, the center part of the screen, you see pre-market. Go ahead and tap on that section. And this is where you can buy the Hamster Coin before it's officially launched on the exchanges. So please make sure to read the guide provided to understand this process. Before wrapping up this video, it is also important to note that while we wait for the official launch date, you should continually play and accumulate more coins. Because according to the announcement on Telegram, airdrop rewards will depend on profit per hour and other activity parameters, and not just the coin balance. So play wisely, keep accumulating coins, and focus on increasing your profit per hour. So that's the tip I want to give you for today. I hope this video helped you out. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.